UPCAT takers, let's try to solve this problem. So, 5 raised to 4 raised to square root of 2 raised to x is equal to 25. So, mukha siyang mahaba kasi ang daming exponents, di ba? Pero yung gagawin lang natin dito is to remember yung laws of exponents and also to have a direct comparison. So, pag ganito mga problem, what we want to have is either the same base or same exponent. So, before that, let's review muna a few laws of exponents. So, meron tayong negative exponent rule, di ba? Na kung meron kang 1 over x, this is just equal to x raised to negative 1. Meron din tayong dun sa square root na rule, di ba? Na if you have square root of x, this is just x raised to 1/2. Okay? So, dito, yung gagawin natin is to express this side as a base of 5 para same sila dito. So, let's rewrite muna. 4 square root of 2 raised to x is equal to, di ba 25 is just 5 squared. So, meron na tayong same base. Now, from here, pwede nating i-compare yung exponents nila. So, 4 square root of 2 raised to x is equal to 2. So, from here, we can either express this as 2 squared, di ba? Itong 4 para same siya dito na base 2. Pero kasi, maglalag tayo nun. So, an alternative is to express this na lang as square root of 4. So, tingnan niyo yung mangyayari. If I rewrite this 4 raised to x, if I write this as square root of 4, di ba this is just the same as 4 raised to 1/2. So, from here, same base na sila, 4. We can compare again yung exponent nila. So, that square root of 2 raised to x is equal to 1/2. So, from here, we can apply itong dalawang laws of exponents natin dito. Si square root of 2, we can write as 2 raised to 1/2, di ba? Times x is equal to, this one, we can express as 2 raised to negative 1. So, from here, again, same base na sila, 2. We can equate 1/2 x is equal to negative 1. So, last step, we can cross multiply. X is equal to 2 times negative 1, negative 2. So, sana natulungan ko kayo in practicing for the UPCAT.